Welcome to our exploration of an extraordinary figure in science, Aziz Sancar, a true pioneer whose work continues to inspire and transform the world of science. His pioneering research has opened new doors in the fight against cancer, inspiring future generations of scientists. Join us as we explore the remarkable journey and profound contributions of Aziz Sancar, a true hero in the realm of science. Aziz Sancar was born on September 8, 1946, in Savur, a small village in southeastern Turkey. Raised in a humble yet academically driven family, Sancar showed an early love for science and education. His parents, though not formally educated, valued learning, pushing Sancar to pursue his dreams. Aziz began his academic journey in medicine, enrolling at Istanbul University. However, his true passion lay in uncovering the mysteries of molecular biology, and after completing his medical degree, he set his sights abroad. In 1977, Sancar earned his Ph.D. in molecular biology from the University of Texas at Dallas, marking the beginning of his illustrious career. It was here that his fascination with DNA repair began to take shape, setting the stage for his most significant discoveries. Sancar's research focused on one of the most fundamental processes in biology: how cells repair DNA damage. He would go on to revolutionize our understanding of how our cells cope with the daily wear and tear inflicted on their DNA by environmental factors like ultraviolet radiation. In 1983, Sancar made a landmark discovery in DNA repair mechanisms: nucleotide excision repair. This process is essential for repairing UV-induced DNA damage, preventing mutations that could lead to diseases like cancer. In 2015, Sancar's pioneering work was recognized with the Nobel Prize in Chemistry, shared with two other DNA repair scientists, Tomas Lindahl and Modrich. Their collective research illuminated the intricate dance of molecules that protect our DNA from degradation. Advancing our understanding of cancer and aging. Beyond his Nobel Prize, Aziz Sancar's contributions extend to mentoring future scientists and promoting scientific education, particularly in his home country of Turkey. Through the Aziz Gwen Sancar Foundation, he has fostered Turkish-American relations and supported education in the sciences. His foundation also offers scholarships to help students pursue their academic dreams. His work is a reminder that, through persistence, curiosity, and passion, science can unlock the answers to some of life's greatest challenges. Sancar's success is a testament to the value of hard work. He often highlights the need for dedication and effort in achieving one's goals. His deep love for science and curiosity about the natural world drove him to excel in his field. Sancar encourages others to find and follow their passions, as this can lead to groundbreaking discoveries. From a small village in Turkey to the heights of the Nobel Prize, Aziz Sancar's journey is a testament to the power of knowledge, perseverance, and the human spirit. His story will continue to inspire generations, reminding us all of the importance of curiosity and discovery.